Dude, new L5P tuner came in. You wanna go tune this thing?
Yeah, sure.
A few moments later.
Don't even worry about it, man. Already got your ECM out.
Dude, we don't put this shit back.
All right, dude, jeez, I'm just trying to help. We might not have needed the ECM, but I get the unlock cable hooked up, don't worry.
Dude, stop worrying about that shit. We don't need it. Jesus Christ, dude, breathe.
Dude, don't tell me this is another 30-minute flash. Like, I got stuff I gotta do today, man.
Dude, trust me, this is only gonna take 5 minutes.
You're telling me if you don't have to unlock the ECM, you don't have to pull it out, and it only takes 5 minutes to flash. Well, what are you gonna do with all that time and money?
I don't know, man. You tell me. That's right, everybody. Gone are the days of unlock cables, unnecessary downtimes, and just messing around with ECMs. Now, you can tune your L5P Duramax through the convenience of your smartphone that's probably in your pocket. You've known Duramax Tuner to be on the cutting edge of performance when it comes to your L5P Duramax. Now we are super excited to bring you the most easy to use interface in getting your truck tuned. When it comes to the custom tuning you know and love from Duramax Tuner, here's what you're going to get in our EZ Lynk Tune Pack. You want to take your L5P to the next level, and we're here to help. Industry-leading tunes on the most user-friendly platform on the market, all while saving you some money in the process. If you have any more questions on taking your L5P to the next level with EZ Lynk, my name's Anthony. Give us a call with any questions, 815-568-7920, or visit us at duramaxtuner.com. Thanks for watching.